Demystifying revenue in English. Hey learners, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving deep into the term revenue. It's a term we often hear in business, economics, and everyday life. So, what does it really mean? Let's find out. Revenue is the total amount of money brought in by a company or entity before any expenses. Imagine you own a store and you sell 10 apples for $1 each. The total money you get from selling those apples, which is $10, is your revenue. It's important to remember that this doesn't mean you've made a profit of $10, because you still have to consider the cost of getting those apples and other expenses. Revenue just gives us the top line. 1. Operating revenue. This is the money made from a company's primary activities. For our Apple Store, this would be the sale of apples. 2. Non-operating revenue. This refers to the money earned from secondary, non-core business activities. For instance, if our Apple Store also rented out part of its space for events, the money earned from that would be considered non-operating revenue. Revenue is a critical metric in business for several reasons. 1. Health indicator. It helps stakeholders understand the health and growth of a business. A steady increase in revenue often indicates that a company is doing well. 2. Decision-making. Companies use their revenue figures to make decisions about expanding, investing, or cutting costs. 3. Taxation. Revenue figures are also crucial for tax purposes. Authorities use it to determine how much a business owes in taxes. While revenue is the total amount of money brought in, profit is what remains after all expenses are deducted from the revenue. Using our Apple Store example, if it costs us $5 to get those apples and pay for the store's rent, then our profit would be $5, $10 revenue minus $5 expenses. Always remember, revenue is not the same as profit. And that wraps up our discussion on revenue. I hope this video has shed light on what revenue means and why it's an essential term in the world of business and finance. Keep learning, and we'll catch you in the next video.